a vlog day. So my daughter and myself will be going to Sunny Island today. And Sunny Island is in Alligator Pond, Manchester, Jamaica. It is Manchester, right? And not St. Elizabeth. So come with us as we go to Sunny Island. All right, so this is me on the side of the shore waiting for the boat to come get us. And guys, we are going to be going on a fishing boat to go over on the island, and it will be our very first time on a fishing boat. All right, so we're going to this beach party that is called Cays. Yes, and to get to the party, we have to take the boat. As I said, the party will be held at Sunny Island. So yeah, so waiting on the boat, taking some pics, enjoying the ambience right here and all of that. So guys, we are all scared, we're nervous and everything, but to get to the island, we gotta go on the boat. So let's go. Do Masa not drive fast with we?
Come over here.
You tell yourself a young boss.
You come over here now. So, you will come over here. Eh? Yeah, come over here.
Stop it! Stop that! What you okay? That's me.
You know where it's at? We're the funny man.
So we are putting on our life jackets because we're not taking no risk, we're not taking no chance like some of those other persons that gone already before us.
Yeah.
No.
Vlog day to Sunny Island Beach Party. Part 1. Our first time on a fishing boat.
How are them there?
When water turn over from?
Oh no, the blood of Jesus against them talking. No, not talk like that.
We are all scared and nervous.
Why? Don't be me.
Guys, when you're on the boat and you're scared and you've never been on a fishing boat before, to a small little island. Woo! Everybody afraid, man afraid and woman afraid. Rotted.
Why? No, no one can't afraid of water, so don't video me.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, look at that phone, I'm in mistake.
Hello, stand up.
Give me phone, I'm going to want to put them in arm.
Nah, Jam.
I don't really want to
We don't not drive too hard. Jesus. Alright, so now relax. Oh my God, this is so nice, but it's so scary. Oh my God. Jesus, the water. Oh my God. This is the island, guys. I lost the clips that I made some beautiful clips, but I guess I didn't save it. So this is the island. It's a small island, and this is where the little beach party is being held. And we just arrived. Here we are about to come off the boat. So guys, the party started from 10 to 4 and now it's almost 3:30. So we did not get enough time to party. However, they extended the time to 5:30 for us to come off the island. So you don't know, we're gonna make use of the little time where we just have some fun and eat some food. Alright, so the little island was buzzing with excitement. You don't know, people having fun, dancing and carrying on. You know, people are doing their lobster, jerk chicken, cooking and, you know, making up fire and cooking and all of that stuff. It was like just crazy. Look at my lobster right there. So it was just a different kind of vibe, you feel me? You make up some wood fire on the sun and be cooking on the sun. Guys, when last have you done anything like this? It was just different. I was just feeling this type of vibe. And you don't know, a young man was right here. I was so hungry and a young man was so kind enough to offer me one of his fish. He was eating 2 fishes and I thought that's where I should go to get food, but actually it was not there. And he kindly offered me one of his fish and a piece of his bread. And you know them say hungry make dog eat parched corn. So I just gladly take the fish and I tell us that the fish did taste so good to me here. So I drink soup right here, so I wait for food because you know I'm hungry. And right here, so now them ladies here I get prepared to take them pictures and something. Yeah, so you don't know, guys, it was just a different type of vibe. It was just, I just love this type of vibe. This type of vibe was just awesome. People dancing, nobody watching anybody, everybody is just having fun. This is the kind gentleman who gave me one of his fish. And yeah, I take the fish and have it in my hand like this and start to eat the fish. Cause you don't know, me telling us I'm hungry. And then with all of that, my belly kind of get like a full. Lickly, no, not enough. My belly get like a full. Girls start to dance and take some pictures and enjoy ourselves. And then yeah, after that we head back home. Even though we went to the party late, but we still enjoy ourselves. We drank. I didn't drink, but they all drank. They all drank and got drunk. But it was good. Enjoyed myself. With all this beauty, you know, your girl had to take some photos, so I went a little bit into the water and I took some beautiful pics, as you can see. And with all, guys, it was a good day. We had a good time, and now we are heading back to where we started from. We're heading back to, we left the party and we are going back home now. And this is us on the boat. Guys, the guy who was driving the boat, me I tell you, him drive the boat fast, him circle with him, lean it with way, bag of things. But it was a good day. At this point, the only person who was still scared on the boat was myself, because everybody was under the influence. Nobody was scared again. I'm the only one who was scared. As you can see, Chef have our cups, see him, we are drink anything and something. But guys, trust me, it was a great day. Even though we went to the party late, we still had fun.
It was great. Wonderful.
crossing reach us so rotted. Look at this, I can't go down